If you've been browsing on Amazon or skincare forums lately, you might have stumbled across Turonu Bee Venom Cream, a product claiming to offer anti-aging benefits using natural ingredients. But is it really the skincare miracle it promises or just another case of marketing hype? Disclaimer, this review is based on personal opinion and publicly available research. This is not a medical advice. Always consult a skincare professional before trying new treatments. According to the product listing on Amazon, Turonu Bee Venom Moisturizer is currently unavailable, and it's unclear if or when it'll return to stock. The description highlights natural ingredients with fast absorption, non-greasy formula with no odor, claims to provide effective relief for discomfort, and marketed as suitable for almost everyone. It also includes simple usage instructions. Just simply apply generously, leave on for 15 minutes. Now, this is where the red flags start showing. With only 2.9 stars from 12 reviews, the general tone from buyers is disappointing. A few key points from user reviews. One user said it burned terribly on their skin. Another claimed it's money thrown in the trash because it showed no visible results. A repeat buyer who had a good experience before was let down by the second purchase, suggesting inconsistency in quality. While the product boasts natural ingredients and easy application, the reviews suggest it's not delivering on its promises. Combined with the fact that it's no longer available on Amazon and has poor feedback, would say Turonu Bee Venom Cream leans more toward marketing hype than skincare miracle. Always be cautious when trying viral skincare products, especially those with limited reviews and availability. Your skin deserves tested, safe, and effective care, so do your research and when in doubt, consult a dermatologist. Stay smart, stay golden.